Okay, so guys, at the birthday party, I just found Sandeep, and Sandeep gave me this gift, and then this is my Father 5 that I got. And then guys, I have to be extremely careful with this because some people broke it and they had to throw it away and waste money. So, what the? Why is this? Yo, this thing might fall off. Are you serious? And then guys, this Rubik's Cube turns a jar of pasta sauce. Ugh, you have to use strong muscles. Are you serious? Ugh. This turns a bit worse. Because you have to turn this a jar of pasta sauce. You have to do some palm turning. But then my 3x3 I don't. But then on my Father 5, it makes a weird noise when you shake it for like a reason or no reason. So guys, we're trying to buy this Father 5. It turns a bit worse. Just comment down below. And guys, I will see you in the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.